Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing the first drive on my Mk2 Seat Leon FR. So let's hit the intro and we'll get into it, guys. Right, so let's go over the exterior before we do the interior and the first drive. So obviously it's finished in red, it's faded in some places. It's got 18-inch FR diesel 5-spoke alloys which are finished in grey. They're a bit dirty, but it is what it is. They might change, I'm not too sure. If you step back, obviously my previous video I absolutely hated the way the car sits, so I put 35-inch lowering springs and it actually has made a difference, the back, and it's made a difference to the front as well. We've got these faded smoke tint, God knows what we like. We've got a bit of black and silver going on. Besides that, that's about it. We've got one wind deflector on the car, red calipers. But yeah, that's it for the outside. Oh, round the front. Let's go around the front quickly. Badgeless front grille. And that's it, and then it's got all the usual FR malarkey that comes with the car. So yeah guys, let's go. Right, so let's talk about this car first. So at the front there's a 2-litre TFSI 4-cylinder petrol engine mounted to a 6-speed manual gearbox. Mine is a manual. You know, before I bought this car I did a lot of research, and on YouTube most of them were all autos. Auto something, not what I like. So I went and bought a manual. 200 brake horsepower. It's the same as the Mark 5 Golf GTI. Right, so the engine. I'm not going to waste your time. Obviously, I'll put in the link to my Mark 5 Golf GTI video. It's the same engine, you know, 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, putting out 200 brake horsepower. Pros and cons in my eyes, there's not many. There's a big reason why I went and bought the Seat Leon. The engine is so reliable. As long as you do the oil pickup pipe, do the diverter valve, and also do regular service on the vehicle, it's not going to give you any problem whatsoever. Besides that, parts. Now, I've been looking for something. An armrest. It's like gold dust. I can't find it nowhere, and even I found one or two, but people are asking £200+ for it. It's a lot of money nowadays, but if any of you guys have got one for sale, let me know. But yeah, parts is the only thing I've found hard with this car, because a lot of people have got the FR diesel. You really see a TFSI. They're very rare, I've noticed that. Right, so why I went and bought the Seat Leon, why I went and bought this Seat Leon. Firstly, because it was unmolested, full service history. It's not even that, it's got under 100k on the clock now. It's very hard to find cars which have got under 100k. We all know the GTIs, the Leons, they all get passed around, they all get ragged, but that's a different story. Another thing, it's only got an induction kit. Besides that, there's no other mods, so I could put my own touch onto this car. Budget, obviously we know the used car market is absolutely stupid nowadays. This car was at a reasonable price, so I went and got it. And yeah, it's red, there's a bit of paint fading, but it's not the end of the world. obviously this car has been put on springs because I hated the way this car sat, so I lowered it 35 mil, and to be honest I feel as though I'm driving a Mark 5 Golf GTI. Besides the shell and the interior, everything else is the same, which I love. So obviously in the interior we've got this lovely screen, gearbox, gear stick, or your heater controls, and you know the rest of the malarkey that comes with the car. Now I did say we've got an induction kit in, so I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy that induction kit. The next few clips are gonna be of me driving and listening to that beauty. I hope you guys enjoy it. So a few pulls, second gear. You can really hear that induction kit doing its job. Bodywork, you know, I've seen one or two and the bodywork was horrendous. I just walked away from it because, like I said, parts for these cars don't come. I'll take a fingertip. So, with all that in mind, it's a great car. Like I said, it's just a GTI and it's got a different shell on it. But besides that, it's a brilliant car. It's strong, you know, something you can throw about. It's got the power. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Let me know what else I should do to this Leon, how I should modify it in the comments below. I'm gonna end it there. Take care and I'll see you soon.